name's Chad. I own a Ferrari. I also went to Harvard, which obviously you were wondering, and did you know I own a Ferrari? When I'm not busy picking up gold diggers, this thing does attract a lot of dudes. It's an okay ratio, 10 dudes to 1 girl, but you know. Love the smell of Italian leather in the morning. My income? I own a Ferrari, enough said. I mean, sure, this one costs less than a new 5 Series, but trust me, I'm way richer than you. Oh, this Volkswagen? Use this as a symbol of all my regrets in life. Ferrari. It's time for the gym. Let's roll in the Ferrari. Oh, frickin' peasant. You don't drive a Ferrari, you dance with your Ferrari. See ya! Oh, this guy's riding my ass. Brake check, insurance! You see, driving a Ferrari is a lifestyle. Let's go shopping. Of course I'm wealthy, for sakes. Just went to Rodeo Drive, got this new Louis outfit because Gucci's for peasants. I hope you guys enjoyed a day with Chad. Of course, I own a Ferrari, just a friendly reminder. I went to Harvard and, of course, I own a Ferrari. Please subscribe.